Do you own a limited company? If so, you will need to submit a confirmation statement to Companies House. But what is it? When do you need to file them? Why do you need to file it? Well, let's go through the details in this video. Hi everyone, my name is Simon Misiewicz, and in this video I will be talking about confirmation statements. If you are an owner of a limited company, you will need to submit a confirmation statement to Companies House. There is a link appearing below this video description for you to click in for you to do that confirmation statement. So, when do you need to do a confirmation statement? Well, it's an annual return. You can do it before every year, but typically a confirmation statement to Companies House is submitted once a year. But what is a confirmation statement? Well, it tells the public, and you have to remember this, once you have a limited company, the information you provide to Companies House is public record. So what that basically means is that you are telling the world what your registered office is via your confirmation statement. And that's a very good point, because do you want your home to be registered as public profile? I'm not sure that's a sensible idea. So I would always say to you is get a registered office, even if it's a virtual office, to take the noise away from your home, all about your limited company. But nevertheless, a confirmation statement tells Companies House and the world at large what the registered office is. It also tells the world at large and Companies House who the directors are and who is responsible for this limited company. And it also provides information about the shareholders. What are the shareholding? What type of shares do they have? That's kind of information. So it's an updated annual return to tell the public as a whole, but you would submit all this information through the confirmation statement that I've just shown you via that link. Again, don't forget, that link is below this video. So now we're going to be talking about how you submit a confirmation statement. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to allow Companies House to do that for you. So let's go check out how to submit a confirmation statement.
Every company must file a confirmation statement at least once a year to confirm the information we hold about it is correct. It must be delivered within 14 days of your confirmation statement due date. To file your confirmation statement electronically, you first need to be registered for the Companies House web filing service. Once you've signed into web filing, select File Confirmation Statement on your company overview screen. This screen explains what you'll need to complete your confirmation statement. If there have been any changes to your company over the last 12 months, you must file these changes before submitting your confirmation statement. Select Start. The expected date of your confirmation statement will be displayed. If you need to change this date, you can do that here. If your company has had shares admitted to trading on a market at any time during this return period, such as the London Stock Exchange, select Yes. Otherwise, click Next to continue. You now need to check the information currently held on our register. Check that the registered office address is correct. If you have recently changed this, the information shown may not reflect your most recent filings. Any changes required should be filed using the relevant form before you file this confirmation statement. Next, you need to check the details of your company officers. The name, role, and date of birth will be displayed for each officer, so please check that all of these details are correct. As before, any changes required need to be filed before filing your confirmation statement. If you need to take a break, you can log out here and finish your confirmation statement later. You now need to check the information relating to your registers. If you have provided a single alternative inspection location, sale address, you can check that this is correct. If you don't have a sale address, click to expand the next section. Here, you need to check the standard industrial classification code recorded for your company. It should reflect your principal business activity. You can add or amend your business activity by selecting Add New Code. The next section contains information on your company's share capital details. This section will not be displayed for non-share capital companies or LLPs. You can update, amend, or remove your share options here. You're also able to add a new currency and class. If all the details are correct, select Confirm. This section lists all the company's shareholders. You can amend, transfer or add new shares here. Check that all the details are correct. Next, you need to check the details of your people with significant control, your PSCs. The name and date of birth will be displayed for each PSC, so please check that all of these details are correct. Any changes to your PSC should be filed using the relevant form before you file this confirmation statement. If you have recently filed changes, the information shown may not reflect your most recent filings. Read the statement and tick to confirm that your information is correct. Select Submit to move on to the payment screen. Before you select your payment method, make a note of your submission number in case you have a query. Your filing will not be registered until payment is made. You can pay by credit or debit card, PayPal, or an online filing credit account. A credit account needs to be set up in advance, and an application form is available from our website. Select your preferred payment method and select Continue. Once you have entered your details, our payment provider will send you an email to confirm the amount and receipt of payment. Your confirmation statement data will then be sent to Companies House. You can view a copy of your data in My Recent Filings for up to 10 days. You'll now receive 2 emails. The first to inform you that your confirmation statement has been received, and a second to say if it has been accepted or rejected.
Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that video. I hope you now understand what a confirmation statement is. Be sure to book a call with us, a tax call, or even to think about our services as a whole via our website. The link is appearing above my head right now, and there's a link description as well. If you want to book a tax consultation with us, please use the code YouTube25 to get your 25% discount. And if you found this video useful, then why not give it a good old like, subscribe to this channel so that you get notified of every new video we launch. And if you are wanting to ask questions, feel free to drop us a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Until the next video, my name is Simon Misiewicz from Optimize Accountants. I'll see you again soon.